In this video, I want to show how the roofing industry has changed a little bit. Back in the day, everybody used blue tarps. And what would happen is when they put those over those bushes in 95-degree temperatures, they couldn't breathe and they couldn't get sunlight, and it would just wilt those bushes so bad. And one of the biggest complaints in the roofing industry is landscape damage. Whether we find nails all in the bushes or in the yard and around the playgrounds where the kids are, or you're wilting all their bushes, killing all their grass in the front yards where they had all those blue tarps. What we've done at Andy's Roofing is we've changed it up a little bit. We use a special netting system that goes all around the house, and it's breathable. And so there's a couple different types. One of them keeps from basically destroying the bushes. Whenever those shingles come off, we got to get those off the roof. And so if they come down and land on the ground, we don't want it to hit your bush and damage it. So it keeps it off of that. And then the other one is the ground nets, where we actually, like, the wind and stuff can breathe through it and it doesn't wilt those bushes. So it's kind of an innovative thing. Good roofing companies will go and invest in this because they see the benefits. Most roofing companies, actually, in the fine print on the back, they talk about how some landscaping damage is expected and they're not liable for it. That's not the right way to look at it. You should take care of your homeowner, and what they expected was a new roof. And so what we do at Andy's Roofing, when we leave, you have a new roof with no mess, especially no nails. So run your magnets and everything, but this is just an extra step that we take at Andy's Roofing to put us ahead and take care of our homeowners better.